Hey, Tony Anczer here at eXp Realty with our latest listing at 14028 Paramount Way in Centennial Subdivision in Cedar Lake. This house is fully updated. It's a very spacious 2-bedroom townhouse. Right down the street is the clubhouse that has an exercise facility. It's got a good-sized in-ground pool. As you see, the houses around here are selling very quickly around here, and we're looking forward to showing this home to you. Follow us right in. We hope you enjoyed this video tour as much as we did. I'll put my contact info right here. If you have any questions about this home or would like to see it, or maybe this house isn't for you and you're still looking to see something in the Northwest Indiana or South Suburban Illinois region, we'd love to work with you.